Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, and as a reminder, we're always open until 7 p.m. on Tuesdays. So if you are still in the working world and you want to get your crafty, quilty fix in, come on over after work today. I have several things to share with you. The first up is that we have brand new 1 pound scrap bags in the shop, and these are primarily made out of when we made all those kits for QuiltCon. We had a lot of leftovers. Some of them are from samples that we made in previous years even. And then some are just kind of pieces, ends of bolts that we had left over. And so these scrap bags each have the equivalent of about 3 yards of fabric in them for $19.99. So really good deal. I think we have about 25 of them here in the shop. So next time you come in, take a look at those because that's a great way to get top quality brand new fabric at a good price. Next up, we have Little Safari. This is so cute. Little Safari is these adorable safari animals in soft shades of pink, blue, yellow, and green will make a delightful quilt for the new addition to the family. We especially love the hippos peeking out of the water, and this is by Studio RK for Robert Kaufman. Tell me if these remind you of the iced animal cookies because they're just making me hungry. I love those things. They're so horrible and I love them. And then we have two really cute little kind of companion prints. You have to get real close on those that have kind of like little flowers and things popping out of the ground. And we also have that in yellow. So you can make a really fun quilt for a boy or a girl or both, or maybe twins. That could be fun too. And then over here, we have one of our favorite returning vendors. This is JNS Woodworks, and they've got a variety of new things this year. So let me read you a little bit about them, and then I'll show you their products. JNS Woodworking makes useful products from various wood found in North Carolina or in using specialty woods procured by local wood suppliers. It is fun, interesting, and challenging to make new items that can be used for gifts or in the home. So this is a cedar bowl, which was turned on a lathe, and this bowl can be used for decorative or functional purposes. I love that red color. That's so pretty. And then we have lots of cutting boards here. We have a butcher block breadboard, a tiger wood snack or cutting board, and then a mixed wood cutting board over here made of walnut, bloodwood, maple, and oak, and all of the cutting boards are food safe. Then we have candlesticks made of a variety of wood in different shapes and sizes, and they're so smooth. It doesn't even feel like wood. They really feel great. Then we have this brand new tic-tac-toe game, which comes with its own little carry case for your X's and O's. That could be a really fun thing just to have out on the table for when people come around. I made a cat for us, so nobody won. And then the giveaways they have this time, they have this beautiful Lazy Susan. This one is made in mahogany. Well, it says they are made in a variety of mixed woods, such as mahogany, maple, walnut, or oak. I love a Lazy Susan. It reminds me of really boring days at my grandma's house, trying to see what we could get to fly off. And then they've just started making these Cary Quilting Company pin holders. So this has a magnet in the bottom, so your pins will stick to it, and you can just sort of toss them in. And I love to do that because actually poking things into a pin cushion just isn't as much fun as throwing them towards the thing they stick to. And as a reminder, JNS also always has quilt ladders and clappers and magnetic pin holders and magnetic pin bowls here in the shop. And someone actually just bought a quilt ladder a few days ago. So they always have things for you here, and they are happy to do custom things as well. So we're happy to welcome them back. I think they've been at our market almost every single year, and they're always right out here on the front corner. So we're happy to have them back. Again, if you want to get into the drawings for one of these two items, all you have to do is comment where you're watching the video today, either Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, and we'll be actually announcing the first half of our winners this coming Friday. So you have to be sure to tune in to see that. One more reminder for you. We have on Saturday from 12 to 4, Tracy, our Moda representative, will be in the meeting center for You Be the Buyer, where you get to look at all of the fall collections that Moda has to offer. You get to put in your votes for first, second, and third. You get to pre-order pre-cuts from any collection that she's showing. And she's going to have prizes to give away every half an hour. So it's definitely going to be something you're going to want to come on over for. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.